the terrain on that island makes it look like a head. So there's the forehead, the nose, and it looks like a giant sleeping. Good morning. So I didn't really finish my vlogging yesterday because it just got a little bit crazy, and so I just set up the scuba dives as well as the boat tour today. And this is where I'm headed to right now. It's roughly about 7:30. I'm meeting up with the boat guy. We chartered we got a private boat, and there's 3 of us. We're gonna be splitting the cost, and it's actually gonna be pretty nice. We set up a pretty nice tour, some of the more popular islands and beaches and lake. And right now, the reason why we're meeting so early is so that we can go to the market and buy the food that we're gonna be eating for lunch. That's one of the perks of doing your own tour and getting a private boat. You get to select what you want to eat. So pretty excited about that, and it's gonna be a great deal of fun. So come get lost with me. So actually I'm waiting for my my companions. They went to the hospital because one of them had a heat rash, and so I'm gonna get some breakfast right now. Can I get that? And can I get some of the bitter melon as well? It's not bad. No, because you think about it, it comes out to $1,800 per person.
Yeah.
We got the food, maybe like $400 per person. Yeah. 3 people? Yeah, we need 3 masks and 3 snorkels.
Yeah.
And 3 fins as well.
Yeah.
Do you need fish?
Is this good?
Yeah, that's good. Oh, actually, there's those of them.
No?
Yeah. The water doesn't get in those easily.
And
Now we need to go get food now. So, what should we get? I don't know. Let's see. Maybe some chicken, some fish. So we're trying to decide what to get here.
I think this is your area
To select the food? Well, what do you guys like? What do you...
I eat everything.
Everything?
You like seafood?
Yeah, seafood. Yeah. Oh, fine, thank you. Yeah.
Jackfish.
Jackfish.
Yeah.
Yeah, they say it's good for grilling. We can do that. Yeah.
Less bones.
Oh, let's bone? Let's get one. Let's get one. Want to get some like chicken legs and stuff like that so we can grill it up? Yeah.
Good boat.
Yeah,
Good boat, good boat, good boat.
This is my
Perfect.
nephew.
Your nephew? Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
You call him Tanggaling.
Tanggalin? Thank you. So according to the boat guy, they most of the tours that are organized as a group leave at about 10 a.m. We're leaving at about 8:45 on the private tour, so private boat. So we're getting a head start. So we're heading to some of the more popular destinations first, and so we don't see a lot of crowd and things like that. So the terrain on that island makes it look like a head. So there's the forehead, the nose, we're getting close to Siete Pecados. That's our first destination. That's where we're gonna get off and do some snorkeling. The water is supposed to be really nice, as well as the coral and the wildlife there. It's actually, the tide is a little bit low because you can see that the ridge is quite as far above the water. Oh, we just stopped, and like I said, it's low tide, so we won't have to swim that far down to see some of the wildlife and stuff. Very quiet around though. Lagoons. It's not a secret lagoon though. So this is not so secret lagoon here. You're just gonna climb through a little hole, which is kind of weird. I'm gonna fall. I hope not. Wow. Everybody's here for the secret lagoon, huh? It's not a secret lagoon though. It's one lagoon. There's people there. But still, not very much boats right now. It's just 5 boats and maybe about 20-something people here. A lot of people here. There is. Wow. This must be the first stop. Oh my god, this place is crowded. There's like a ton of boats on this side. So we have some grilled pineapples here. It's actually really good. It's pretty good, huh?
So good.
So I think this is Banol Beach. This is where we're having lunch. This is amazing. The three of us, luckiest people in the world right now. We've been to Siete Pecados, and then we went to the Twin Lagoon. The Twin Lagoon was a little bit disappointing. There's quite a lot of people there, but it is actually pretty. It's pretty over there. And now this is Banol Beach, and this is where we're gonna be having our lunch. Our bartender's here. Thank you. So lunch was great, and I think we're ready to head out. Yeah, we're headed to Kayangan Lake. Like 340 steps to take you to the other side. Oh, look at this. Wow. Absolutely beautiful here. It is. Beautiful. The water is crazy blue. Everybody is here now. Yeah, all the tour boats just finished lunch and they're all getting up here right now. We're leaving, which is great because it's gonna get really crowded in that lake. Yeah, definitely. All the little tour boats are here. There's a whole group coming now more, so yeah, definitely get here right before like 1 o'clock at this time. So we're heading out and there's actually boats coming in. There's at least like 10 to 15 people in that boat. And there's another maybe 6-7 people in that boat. And then more boats coming in. That lake's gonna get crowded fast. So we are headed to Maquint Hotspring. It's right over there. puppy here.